watching DD Sports.
This is Baljinder Dhillon on behalf of Doordarshan Sports, and we are at the Jaipur Polo Grounds near the Delhi Race Course, and we are covering the International Polo Day. This is a 14-goal tournament that is being played between India and Australia, and it promises to be a very interesting match. We've got two strong sides, and standing with me right now is Mr. Dick Doolan, who's leading the Australian polo team. He's played in India in 2008 before in Mumbai. So it's great to have you here, Dick. And well, you played against the Indians in Mumbai, and what was your feedback then, and how are you looking at it when it comes to Delhi?
Oh, look, the Indians are a very strong team. Yeah, having that past experience is a great bonus coming into this game. The horses here, so I think they're a lot better prepared than the ones we got in Mumbai. Yeah. So it'll make it a much closer game, I'm predicting.
Right.
So, yeah, and I think Vishal Chauhan, who's in the Indian team today, I played against him as well. So it's good to have a bit of familiar ground against some of these players. We had a practice match on Friday, and so yeah, had a good run on the horses, had a feel for the field, and yeah, so hopefully it all comes together today.
Since you played in Mumbai in 2008, you've been exposed to the Indian grounds. So what's the difference that you find between the polo ground that you played on in Mumbai and what you have here at the Jaipur Polo Ground in Delhi?
This field's I think it'll be a lot faster than the Mumbai field. The Mumbai field, it was a bit unpredictable, a bit bouncy, and yeah, just a different situation. Today I think it'll bounce straight for us, and you can run onto it a lot harder and with a lot more confidence, and hopefully hit a bit.
We wish the Australian polo team the very best today, and may the best team win. It's all about sports, and it's wonderful to see international teams coming and competing in India. Now standing with me is the captain of the Indian polo team, Colonel Navjeet Singh Sandhu. He's the commanding officer of the 61st Cavalry. He's a career army officer and an excellent polo player, handicapped at 4 goals, and he'll be leading the Indian side today. This is going to be an interesting game against the Australians, who are known to be very hard riders, and we all will be cheering for the best side. Colonel Sandhu, sir, I just wanted to ask you about today's game. How are you prepared for it?
Well, the Australians have an excellent side which they've sent across. It's a 14 handicap match, which is the same level as the World Championships. And the team has performed creditably. They've even been runners-up once in the World Championships. And they have an excellent polo tradition and a culture. And for us, it will be really nice to play against a top team. We do have an advantage playing on home turf on familiar horses. They would be playing on unfamiliar horses, which would probably be just the only handicap that they'll have. But they're an excellent side. They've been playing together, and they're an experienced lot, and it's going to be a very hard game for us.
So we were speaking to the Australian captain earlier, and he was very satisfied. He was rather happy with the horses that have been allotted to the Australian polo team by the Indian Polo Association.
Well, we've done our best. There have been players, patrons who've come forward and lent their horses. Baljinder himself has lent his best horses for the Australian team. The aim is to have a good match, to give the best that we can get. And also, whenever a team from India goes out, is also mounted by the host country. And we have a young side with us, very good players doing really well, and this will be an ideal opportunity for them to really play hard against the top team and do well.
Thank you so much, sir. Wish you all the best. We are witnessing Equisport International Polo Day. This is a 14-goal polo tournament which is being held between the Australian and the Indian team. As we speak, the teams are being led by a band of the Madras Regiment, and they approach the stands.
Playing for Australia today at number 1, we have Mike McKennie.
Playing
off 2
for
goals.
Australia at number 1, we have Mr. Mike McKennie playing off 2 goals in the white helmet.
At number 2,
Number 2, we have Mr. Samuel William Gunn, handicapped at 4 goals.
At
Number 3, we have Mr. Isaac Graham Hegdon playing off 4 goals. Playing at back, Mr. Dick Doolan.
Ladies and gentlemen, for India at number 1, we have the young and talented Gaurav Sehgal.
For the Indian team, we have the young and talented Mr. Gaurav Sehgal, handicap at number 3. Number 2, Vishal Chauhan playing at number 3. Mr. Simran Shergill, handicap at 4 goals, playing
And at
back of the team is Colonel Jeet Singh Sandhu.
Playing off 4 goals. And both those teams making a total team handicap of 14, which, as I mentioned before, is the World Cup level.
The umpires for today are Mr. Abhimanyu Pathak and Mr. Bhavani Singh Kalvi. The match will be referred by Commander Akhil Sirohi.
For the national anthems of both countries. And ladies and gentlemen, if I may request all of you to please rise for the Australian national anthem.
External Affairs, Mr. Salman Khurshid.
Again, I hope that we will perform just as we performed elsewhere in something called the game of cricket. But my best wishes to both sides. I'm sure that we will have a delightful afternoon. Let me just share a secret with you. I didn't know anything about polo. This man is responsible for my discovering which end of the horse comes first, which end of the horse you face, and what horses can do when you ride them. But I'm still learning, so thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Absolute, and my best wishes to both sides. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Vishal Chauhan on the ball, fighting it out. Takes it out of the melee.
Turning.
Is turning on the ball.
Turning.
Being closely followed by Dick.
Bhubi Sehgal riding up. A bit of a melee
Vishal
ride
still
for
on the
the
ball
front.
and he releases the ball.
Vishal Chauhan
Oh, it's gone out of
really
play
lobs the ball
over the sideboards.
Over the sideboards and out of play. Ladies and gentlemen, the umpires will throw the ball in to resume play.
The
The
umpire
clock
throws in the ball to
indicates
resume the
stop
play.
when the
There's
ball
a
goes
melee
out.
and the
Ball
ball
line
is free.
now.
Now
Okay.
we've got Sam. Sam is on
And
the
it
ball,
is
very,
Australia in attack.
and he
Sam.
misses the ball.
That
Now
was
we've got Mike McKenzie who gives a nice shot, but it goes out of play.
Again going over the boards and out of play. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the perfect opportunity for all of you to have a closer look at the players from both teams. The umpire, Abhimanyu Pathak.
The ball
throws
is thrown in yet again.
Gaurav
Gaurav
Sehgal
Sehgal moves
trying to get
quickly
on.
and
Gaurav Sehgal
executes
on
a shot, and it's gone to the stands. Fortunately, there are no injuries.
Sports table.
Zach is making a run towards the goal.
And it is Zach for Australia.
And
Gaurav Sehgal
misses a
riding
bouncing
next to
ball.
him.
Vishal Chauhan is
and
marking
Dick
the
Doolan.
captain of the
Vishal Chauhan
Australian
with a
team,
little
Dick Doolan, very,
flick.
very
Backhander
closely.
to any of his
Mike
best to pick it
McKenzie
up.
misses a
The ball lying
backhander,
there.
but is quick to turn on the ball.
Mike
He's been
McKennie,
marked by Colonel
Navjit
Navjit Sandhu. There's a bit of
Gaurav Sehgal coming onto it
jam,
now.
and Gaurav Sehgal quickly
Sehgal,
takes on to the
Gaurav,
ball
Lovely stick work from young Gaurav Sehgal.
and is carrying the ball
Gaurav
forward.
Sehgal still in possession.
Passes to Colonel Navjit Sandhu, being
back for
ridden
India.
hard
Nice
by
shot,
Dick
but it's backed
Doolan,
away.
who's backed
by
away the ball
Australia.
towards the Indian side.
Backhander from Gaurav Sehgal, a lovely under the tail shot, but the
That
umpires
was a foul in play.
seen an infringement and blown their whistle. And let's see what they decide.
To my opinion, the captain of the Australian team was executing a backhander, and his a penalty 4 has been awarded in favor of the Australian polo team.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a penalty has been awarded to Australia. It's an undefended goal from 40 yards. Chance for
Zach-
Australia to open their account
Zach is
here.
cantering up,
It's going to be
and he will be taking the
Zach.
penalty for the Australian team.
here he
Canters
comes,
steadily.
undefended
The
goal
striding
from
of the
40
horse
yards.
is good, and he
And it's
executes.
a nice looking
It's a
shot.
nice looking shot,
Check on
but
the accuracy. The red flag is
yes,
up,
it was a
ladies and
grounder,
gentlemen.
but it has found
Australia
its
have opened
path
their
between the
account.
posts,
It's
and
one
Australia
goal to
opened
nil
its
in the first
its
chapter.
score.
We Sport International Polo Day 2013. For those of you who are not very familiar with the game, teams change ends after every goal is scored. So Australia going from left to right.
The ball
India
is
from
thrown
right
in
to left,
again,
as
and
you
there
see.
is a melee. This fight for the
Australia
ball cleared away by Zach,
Zach
And Mike execute trying to take the ball on the near side, and he's moving towards the Indian goal again. He's making a good run, being marked by Simran Shergill.
Simran Shergill coming onto the ball now.
Simran Shergill clears the danger, but he misses. Taken carefully by Colonel Navjeet Sandhu.
Vishal Chauhan tapping, ball bouncing, and it's now Simran Shergill.
And we see a huge shot by Simran Shergill.
Simran gets onto it again. It's flicked away by Sam. Picked up now by Simran Shergill. Gaurav Sehgal on the near side. The ball bounced over his man. And it's Navjeet Sandhu now for India who comes and picks up the ball. Navjeet Sandhu, a lovely backhander pass to Simran Shergill. Hooked out of that place. Picked up by Zach now.
Zach is on the ball again. Goes the board. He takes the man out. Takes Simran out. Takes the ball on the near side.
And goes out. Ladies and gentlemen, give both these teams a hand. India and Australia. Cheer them on. The team's lining up. The umpire blows his whistle, tells the players to line up properly, and Abhimanyu Pathak, himself a 4-goal player, throws the ball
Has thrown in the ball.
Stick to that, and it's Gaurav Sehgal.
Gaurav has taken the ball and he's moving furiously away. He's still...
The umpire, and the ball is now with Navjeet Sandhu. The lovely pass to
Navjeet
Simran
clears the
Shergill.
ball and
Simran
gives it to his
galloping
forward,
down
Mr.
that
Simran
line.
Shergill.
Zach is there in defence
Zach
for
is on
Shergill.
side.
Who
Simran
connects
clears
the
away,
the equaliser.
checks the
Simran
post,
Shergill
and he
right in
tries
front
for
of
the
the
shot,
goal,
but
and
unfortunately it goes out.
the ball has gone wide and out of play. Australia relieved with that. They continue to lead by 1 goal. And it's
Australia is
ended
leading
from
by
the
1
back
goal.
line for Australia. Tap taken
Take-
by Dick Doolan.
Dick Doolan takes the tap and
And
releases
it's
the
a
ball
nice
to his
release
forwards.
to the front.
It's a huge shot that close to the
Navjeet
center of the
Sandhu
ground,
in
but
defence for India. Navjeet
Colonel
checks his
Sandhu
bowling
is...
and backs the ball beautifully intercepted there by Sam Gunn.
Vishal Chauhan gives
Navjeet
a
Sandhu
backhander.
coming onto the ball again now
with
for
Colonel
India.
Sandhu
Navjeet
galloping
checks his
furiously.
bowling, takes a tap.
He's
Navjeet,
taken charge
and
of
he
the ball and he
releases
releases
the
the
ball
approach
now
shot,
slightly
but
wide
it
to
is
the
going
right.
slightly
Gaurav
wide
Sehgal
to the
is
right.
chasing it. Will he manage to keep the ball in play? I doubt it.
It was
It's
a
gone
huge...
over the back line
It was a good
and
shot by Colonel
once
Sandhu, but
again
it went out of play.
A whistle from the umpires there. Not sure what that's for. In the meanwhile, the ball's back in play. And they're
Dick
still in
Doolan
possession.
is in possession of the ball and he looks for his forwards and is
To the
to
forwards.
Mike. Mike
Let's see who
who's
gets
been
there.
hard by
Sam Gunn
Simran.
riding hard. Sam Gunn, written
Simran
off that
executes
play
a
by
near
Simran.
side. Backed away by
Lovely play
Navjeet
there.
Sandhu.
Coming back onto the ball.
Again, he's on the ball. He's making an attack to the goal. He's unmarked, and that's a beautiful approach shot, and it should be a goal in all probability. And it does, and India has opened its account, and Colonel Navjeet Sandhu has scored the first goal for the Indian team.
Lovely play by the Indian captain Navjeet Singh Sandhu. Excellent backhander, which and made no mistake. Navjeet is widely recognized as a very solid, calm and collected player, and that is essential. For a
The
young
teams
team
line up
like
again,
ours.
and the ball is
in
thrown
play.
in to be
Simran
taken
Shergill
in by
now.
the Australian side,
Nice
and Simran
backhander.
Shergill gives a backhander, but it has
And
been
it's
covered
lovely
very
Australia
nice.
in defence.
Zach
Zach,
executes,
lovely
replies with the backhander,
forward.
close to the boards. We have Mike going onto the ball, but Simran is already ahead in play of him and backs the ball for Vishal Chauhan, who gives another backhander to Colonel Navjeet Sandhu, who makes a run again. He's been marked hard by Dick Doolan, but he's still in possession of the ball and approaches right to the goal, and Colonel Sandhu is scored again. This is great performance by the Indian captain. This is the second goal that is scored under a minute of play. That calls for the end of Chakra.
The end of the first Chakra, India leading 2-1.
Ball.
Zach still on it.
And he gives
Passing
a
up
long
with
shot,
ball, Navjeet
but
Sandhu
there's no one
is
there to take
Close
his
the back
pass,
door for
and the
India.
Indian
Navjeet
captain
Sandhu
has
backhander
executed a
coming.
beautiful
Simran Shergill turns
backhander
on Zach getting
to be
it first.
intercepted by Zach.
with a
Zach
backhand
replies
along
with a
the ground and
backhander.
long
They're playing
backhander.
conventional
Navjeet
polo.
Sandhu
It's
once again
beautiful
in perfect
shots are
position,
being executed.
playing
The back
In
of the Indian
defence for
team has
India, and
sealed the
back ball once
defense.
again. Simran Shergill intercepted. And it's
We
picked up
have
by
the
Zach
ball
now.
again,
This could be
and
dangerous
Zach
for
has
India.
gone the
Zach in
line.
front of the goal.
He was intercepted by
Navdeep
Colonel
meets it
Sandhu,
right
but the
hand
whistle
right
has
now.
been
The
blown.
whistle from the umpires. And the play comes
We've just
to
come to know what the umpires
a halt.
feel about the foul.
Let's see what the umpires decide, ladies and gentlemen. If they disagree, they can refer the matter to the referee, whose decision is final. The referee this afternoon, Commander
The
Arjun
umpires
Siraj,
have
is in
decided the foul in favor of the Australian team. There was a possible infringement in the right of the way by the back of Indian team,
28 and a quarter yard.
and a penalty
It's going to be
2
Australia.
has been
Open
awarded.
goal.
That's been taken
And
by
it's
Zach,
Zach
who
takes
puts
the
it
tap,
easily between the
and he puts
posts.
the ball through. Australia have equalized, ladies and gentlemen. It's 2 goals.
Australia has equalized their score.
The umpires there thought one of the Indian players had infringed the right of way of Zach, and hence blown the whistle, awarded a penalty from within the 30-yard mark. And
The ball is
Australia making
thrown
no
in
mistake,
again,
the ball's in play.
and the Australians
Australia
are still in
attack
possession
again.
of the ball. The captain Dick Dooley
Mike, that's Dick
gives a
Dooley
good pass to Zach, who leaves it for
backed
Mike.
by
Vishal Chauhan intercepted very
N-
soon.
Navjeet tries to collect it. Backed away again by Mike McKennie.
Gaurav is first on
And
the
now
ball.
it's Sam Gunn.
Sam
releases
Gunn
the ball.
releases the ball.
Zach running up for the pass, but it's Vishal Chauhan in defense for India. Backs the ball. Simran Shergill now.
Simran
Shergill
Shergill
with a nice looking
defends
backhander
the
pass to Vishal Chauhan. And it's
Vishal Chauhan who
who
comes with ball.
Chauhan.
Vishal is
Beautiful
galloping
pass
forward.
up to Gaurav Sehgal.
Gaurav
There's
Sehgal
Gaurav
is
Sehgal.
on the ball, who
Gaurav
executes
Sehgal.
a
It's
shot, a
Gaurav
good
Sehgal
approach
attacks
shot.
the
He
ball,
settles his
bouncing.
house.
Gaurav
He
keeping
marks
his
very
cool,
well
picks
by
up a
Mike,
bouncing ball.
but
He
Gaurav
went
still
for
in
the
possession
goal.
of the
His
ball.
horse kicked the
But
ball
that's
slightly wide,
unfortunate that the
but
horse has kicked the ball and the ball has
Vishal
gone out of
Chauhan
play.
Trying to keep the ball in play unsuccessfully, and the ball goes over the back line and out of play. Another hit in for Australia.
The Australian side starts with an hit in.
Who's going to take it? It's going to be
Well, we have Mike McKenzie
Dick
at 2
Dooley
goals, who's
playing it
taken
back.
the hit in.
Takes the tap across
He's
his own
keeping
goal mark.
possession of the ball.
His players are running
His
up for the
players
pass.
are
There's
making a
Zach
pos-
going
a
up for the
position
pass,
for the
and there
pass, and Zach
comes the
executes
pass. Vishal
excellent
Chauhan riding
pass.
him hard.
Excellent pass to Dick Doolan, who
Nice shot up to the
shots up,
front.
but it's been defended very well by Simran
Shergill,
Shergill, who
backhander
executes
along
a
the ball,
backhander.
nice pass to Gaurav
To
Sehgal,
Gaurav,
and
turns
it's Gaurav
quickly
Sehgal
onto the
who
line,
nicely.
collects
Gaurav
the
Sehgal,
ball and
Gaurav
hits it up
Sehgal.
towards the Australian side. Mike
Nice
Mike
backhand from
blocks
Mike.
it by Mike.
Zach
Then
attempts,
Zach misses
misses.
the ball. Then we have
And
Colonel
Dr.
Sandhu, who goes in
Singh
for a
there,
near
the
side
umpires don't oblige, and
approach.
it's Zach in defense for Australia under the tail shot, picked up nicely by Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan towards the boards, and there comes the backhander. Ball still in play. Gaurav Sehgal to Navjeet Sandhu, and it's Zach clearing it.
Zach
nicely.
clears the
Cut
ball.
shot in defense, and there comes a big bump from Australia. Lovely pickup.
And we have the Australian captain leading the Australian attack, being marked by Vishal Chauhan, but he's crossed the 5B and he's galloping furiously towards the goal. He's taken a near side play, and Dick Doolan is in scoring position, who's been cleared away by Simran Shergill. And but we have Zach, who turned quickly onto the ball, and he's looking for teammates, gives a backhander.
Promoted.
First to turn on the ball is Vishal Chauhan, who again responds with a backhander. Now we have Mike, who misses the ball, and we have young Gaurav Sehgal, who promotes the ball,
A nice long shot up.
and the back of the Indian team is approaching. Navjeet misses the ball,
Takes a tap.
but it's
It's along
interrupted,
the board.
and
The Australian defense missed the ball as Navjeet
Navjeet
Sandhu,
turns on the
Navjeet
ball,
Sandhu
checks
still on it.
carefully,
Gaurav
and
Sehgal
leaves the
now.
ball for
And
Gaurav
it's Gaurav
Sehgal.
Sehgal with a
And
lovely
Gaurav
approach
Sehgal
towards the
goes
Australian
towards the
goal.
Australian
Gaurav
goal.
Sehgal
He's in a
scores
position to
the
score,
goal.
and he executes under the neck, and that is a goal.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That is a beautiful goal that's been scored by young Gaurav Sehgal for India.
India once again take the lead, 3 goals to 2.
After this spectacular goal and excellent teamwork, the Indian team has taken a lead over the Australians, 3 goals to 2.
Bouncing ball, made no mistake there, And the players now back to the center for the throw-in. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, cheer both teams on. The ball's in play again.
The ball, Zach.
Zach for Australia.
Zach collects the ball, looking for a place,
Zach.
looking for his forwards to be in
And
place,
under the
and he
neck shot from
miscues
Zach.
the under the
Way
neck
wide.
shot. It's gone wide over
Right,
the
so
back
expect that
line.
ball will trickle over the
And-
back line. I think the umpires have decided that that's going to be a throw-in. The players are lining up.
The umpires have decided
Not sure
for
what
a
happened
throw
there,
in.
but the ball has been
From
rolled
this
in by
side, we
Bhavani
can't see what
Singh,
happened.
the umpire.
Umpire rolls in the
India
ball.
on the
It
ball
is
at
a
the
bit of a
moment. Now it's
melee.
Australia.
Now
Picked up
Australia
by Sam
pinches
Gunn.
the ball.
Sam
Sam
Gunn for
Gunn
Australia.
for Australia
And
misses
it
a
is
bouncing ball being
Picked
cleared
up
by
Simran
Vishal.
Shergill.
by
Simran
Simran
Shergill
Shergill.
leading out of his saddle.
Simran
Picks up the
Shergill
bouncing ball once
collects
again.
his horse, and
Simran
he's
taps,
being backed
steadies
up by Gaurav
waits for his
Sehgal.
forwards to get into position. Vishal Chauhan is
Simran
run up to the front.
has possession of the ball.
And the ball is gone over the board and
And-
out of play.
Simran's attempt on the ball
The
led
ball
to the
is
ball
back in
being
play.
out of play and over the boards. A throw-in has been awarded, but that's again a stop and
Let's
play.
see who
There's a
gets
bit
on
of
to
a
it. Still
melee.
a bit of a melee there.
The Australians
attack, a
are
nice
in
looking
attack.
shot from Zach.
Zach gives a
forward.
awkward shot
Sam
towards
Gunn
the
is there, but
forward.
it's backed away nicely
It's backed away
India.
by
It was
Gaurav,
Sehgal's backhander. Pass to Navdeep
Colonel
Sandhu.
Sandhu
Navdeep
has
collects the ball
come onto the
beautifully.
line
It's at
beautifully
the halfway mark now. Vishal
and
Chauhan
gives
running up.
a
Vishal
powerful shot
Chauhan.
forward.
Vishal Chauhan, it
Vishal
bounces off his
Chauhan
pony's leg,
bounces off his
and the ball
pony,
is
and then we
now
have
in
young
no
Gaurav
man's
Sehgal
land.
who's come back onto the line.
Picked up by Sam Gunn.
He was hoping for a foul, but that didn't
Sam
happen.
Gunn backs
Mr.
it
Sam
nicely.
Gunn backs it nicely to his forwards, but Simran was quick
Back
to anticipate
by
and turn.
Simran Shergill.
Goes in
Lofted
for a
backhander.
lofted backhander again, straight
And that
to
was
the
Zach
Australian
trying a backhander. Navdeep Sandhu with his stick in the air, and the umpires have obliged to the whistle.
There was a
And let's
foul.
see what
There was a foul
they
called in
award.
play. Colonel Sandhu was first to turn on the line.
Umpire Bhavani Kalvi.
The umpires are
riding up to
discussing the
Raghumani
foul.
Pathak.
If they do not concur, they'll have to ask
Having a
the
bit of a
match
chat.
referee, Colonel Akhil Sirohi.
I think they've decided it was no foul. The teams are lining up.
The umpires
There's
have
gonna be a
decided it
throw-in.
was no foul, and the teams are lining
And the
up for a
ball's in play.
throw-in. The
Abhimanyu
ball's in
Pathak
play
is
in
on the
again,
ball.
and quickly cleared
And it's come to
away
Australia. Zach.
by Vishal
And
Chauhan.
another whistle.
There's another whistle and which calls for a stop and play. This time,
This time
the foul
umpires
should be in favor of
move it
India,
up. Right,
and
safely, yes.
rightly so. They've awarded a penalty for which is a
So it will
60-yard
just be a
hit.
Penalty 4, which is a 60-yard penalty. It is a defended goal. If that
The
is what they
60-yard
award.
penalty in polo is a defended goal. And we have the back of the Indian team, Navjeet Sandhu, is taking up the ball.
Here comes
The ball has been
Navjeet
struck.
Sandhu.
Now we have Colonel Sandhu steading up, moving,
And it's
executes
up in
a
the
shot,
air, but it
gives a
goes
huge shot, but it's
slightly
slightly wide
Back
to the
up there
right.
for India. And the scoreboard reads 3-2. Hit in for Australia.
Australian team starts
And
with a
it's
hit
been
in,
taken. 30 seconds of play left.
and we have Mike
Comes to
McKenzie,
play.
who still is in possession of the ball,
Big
and
two
he's
in,
standing up,
Under the neck shot.
and then he gives an under the neck shot, which
And he's
is
still on the ball. Another
being
under the
cleared,
neck
cleared
shot.
by Mike.
It's coming up
And
towards
we've
the
got
ball.
Simran who
By
comes
Simran
quickly onto the
Shergill.
ball, and he's
Passes
in
it
attacking
to
position.
Gaurav Sehgal.
He steadies his horse,
Shergill still with the
and
ball.
you've
Tapping.
got Mike who's falling furiously to spoil his attempts, and he's escaped. And Vishal Chauhan gives in for under the neck, and that's been cleared by Dick Toolin. Dick is in possession of the ball and gives a huge shot ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that lovely
With
play,
that hooter and a lovely play,
second
we've
chukker,
come to the end of the
3-2
second
India
chukker.
lead.
The score stands at 3-2 in favor of India. We have the captain of the Australian team, Dick Tooling,
Where are the Australians?
who's cantering up
Come on.
in a steady canter. We don't know what's going on in his mind. India's leading by 1 goal.
Few cheerleaders now. We're
His-
starting to get them together.
His forwards are waiting for his...
Australia, 5B penalty from the centre of the
there
ground.
we have Dick Doolan, who releases the
Doolan.
ball. And to his forward, Zach, who's been marked by Vishal Chauhan.
forward,
Vishal
but
Chauhan rides him
Vishal
off the
Chauhan
ball
in
and
effort.
executes
Vishal
a
Chauhan to the backhand,
tail
pass
backhander
to Gaurav
straight to
Gaurav
Simran
Sehgal to Simran
Shergill.
Shergill.
Simran
Ball going
Shergill
over now,
misses
it's
a
backed by
bouncing ball.
Zach.
It's been backed by Zach,
Picked up
intercepted
beautifully
beautifully
there
by
Vishal
Vishal Chauhan. Vishal Chauhan along the boards. Vishal Chauhan in possession of the ball, leaves it for Gaurav Sehgal. Gaurav Sehgal passes it up, but is it backed nicely by Dick Doolan? Zach on the ball, and he's been marked by Simran Shergill. We've got Gaurav Sehgal, who clears the danger for India.
Here comes Gaurav Sehgal.
As the players
Gaurav
come
takes
next
a
to the
tap.
board.
The ball bounces off
Gaurav
the
still
ball.
in possession of the ball, and he misses it. Simran Shergill
Shergill
unmarked, who comes alone. He's got the entire field to plan out and execute, and he passes a shot to Gaurav Sehgal, who's galloping furiously, execute near side to be cleared away by Dick, but it was
Vishal Chauhan, chance for India, but it's back to
Is
nicely
back
by
away by-
Australia. The Australian shot, the clearance going over the back line, ladies and gentlemen, which is going to result in a penalty against Australia, the equivalent of a corner in football. It's a safety in polo. from an
Simran
acute
Shergill
angle.
from India is taking the safety hit. He's taking
Simran
it from
Shergill
an
is
acute
along
angle.
the
He hits a
ground,
long
running
shot.
towards it.
It's along the ground,
it's going
and
wide to the
we
left.
have
Backed by
Zach, who
Australia,
backs
picked
it,
up by
picked
Vishal
up by
Chauhan.
Vishal Chauhan, and
Navjeet
now
Sandhu now
Colonel
getting onto
Navjeet
it.
Sandhu gets
And
onto the ball, and the ball
flickered over
rolls
the
out of
back line
play.
once again. And this time it will be a hit-in for Australia. A lot of pressure on all the players. You can see very heart-to-heart marking, man-to-man. The hit-in is being taken by Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan towards
Dick
the ball.
Doolan releases
Cracking
the
over
ball
shot,
towards the board,
it goes over
and
out
we
of
have
play.
the ball out of play again.
The line judge with the white flag up, and it's Abhimanyu Pathak. Tells the players to line up properly, leave enough distance, and the ball's in play. Gaurav
Ball's
Sehgal
in
getting
play.
onto it
Gaurav
first.
Sehgal gets
Gaurav Sehgal
charge
for
of the
India,
ball.
takes a tap. Leaves it for Vishal Chauhan.
Vishal Chauhan follows
now.
up.
Chauhan.
Chauhan
Nice backhander by
been
Sam Gunn.
covered
Picked
up
up
very
by
well by
Simran
Simran
Shergill.
Shergill. Simran
Simran
Shergill in
Shergill.
possession
Simran
of the
Shergill
ball,
running with it.
is
Simran
running
Shergill
with the
takes a
ball,
tap.
trying to find
Lot of
place,
space between him and the goalpost.
and
The
he
ball's
leaves the
lined
ball
in.
for
Navjeet
Navjeet
now.
Sandhu.
And
It
it is
is-
backed by Zach, a beautiful
And the Australians
backhander. What a lovely ball there.
saved their side
Sam
by
Gunn coming
beautiful.
onto it, but Vishal Chauhan's backhander stopping that attack, and it's now Zach.
Zach
tapping.
onto the ball.
Zach for Australia. Zach trying to release the ball. He does so. Doesn't have the legs, and it's Simran Shergill who tries to come onto it. The ball bounces over both their mallets, and it is now Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan still on the ball. Now approaching the 60-yard mark. Vishal Chauhan with a backhander. Beautiful clearance there from Chauhan to Gubi Sehgal. And Gaurav hooked out of that play, but Simran Shergill backing up nicely. The ball coming towards the board. It stays in play. Simran Shergill.
Simran is in
Simran
attack.
Shergill, tap.
Simran still on the ball in
Simran
front of the
Shergill.
boards.
And
Simran
he
is
got
being
tap again,
marked
but
by
a nice
Zach, but he
flick
misses
from
it.
Zach,
And then
picked
we
up
have
by
Navjeet Sandhu on the near
Navjeet
side.
is on the board.
Navjeet is still
under
in
the net.
possession of the
Navjeet now
ball.
on the offside and the near side.
Side.
And it's a backhander.
Navjeet
attempted by
again
Zach.
in possession of the
Navjeet
ball,
is
and
picked
he's
up
moving
once again
towards
by
the
Navjeet
Australian
Sandhu.
side.
And
It's been
then
intercepted
a
very well by
clearance from
Mike.
McKennie.
Vishal Chauhan comes
Picked
on
up
to the
now
ball.
by
Simran Shergill was unmarked. It came onto the ball and executes the next shot towards the goal. And it goes wide. It was a brilliant attempt by Simran Shergill. Dick Doolan on the line. Dick Doolan goes across his goal, going in for a diamond formation attack. Takes the ball on the near side. A foul has been blown.
Have blown a whistle. Gaurav Sehgal there trying to get out of the way, but unfortunately for him,
There was infringement in the Australian captain's right of way by Gaurav Sehgal.
and that resulted
And this has resulted in a foul, which will be a penalty 5B. Again, the Australians have an opportunity to equalize because they'll be starting from the middle of the ground.
2 minutes and 44 seconds of play left in this third chapter.
सन 1942 भारत छोड़ो तहरीक का आगाज, जिसने हमें आजादी की राह दिखाई, और देखते ही देखते हम आजाद हो गए। लेकिन क्या हम वाकई आजाद हैं? कैसे हो सकते हैं जबकि हमारे मुल्क का तकरीबन हर दूसरा बच्चा सुए तग़ज़िया का शिकार है? मतलब समझते हैं आप? यानी आने वाली नस्ल जिस पर मुनहसिर है हमारे मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल, उसकी कुव्वत आधी रह जाएगी, और जो ख्वाब हम अपने बच्चों के लिए देख रहे हैं वो अधूरे रह जाने वाले हैं। ये भी गुलामी है, लेकिन इस बार दुश्मन ऐसा है जो बज़ाहिर नजर नहीं आता। फिर से जंग छेड़नी है, फिर से दुश्मन को निकाल बाहर करना है, ताकि हमारे मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल, हमारे बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल महफूज हो सके। तो आइए मेरे साथ मिलकर कहिए, सुए तग़ज़िया भारत छोड़ो। सुए तग़ज़िया भारत छोड़ो।
Onto the ball.
So do some of the other players.
The umpires have blown a whistle,
and the ball being moved up in favor of India.
and a penalty has been
Taken
awarded
a
to
5-3
India.
penalty. Umpire Abhimanyu Pathak will drop the ball at the 5B mark. Simran Shergill is seeing the ball up. One player at a time allowed to see the ball up. And the umpire calls play.
Call and play in from the Indian side. Simran Shergill is going to strike the ball.
Riding back onto the ground.
His forwards are positioning themselves to
Here
receive
comes
a
Simran
pass.
Shergill for India.
Simran Shergill looks up and
And it's along
hits
the
a
ground.
long shot. It's a
Intercepted
grounder that was
beautifully by
intercepted
Sam
by
Gunn, but it's
Sam
Simran
Gunn.
Shergill once
But
again
Simran
following
Shergill
his
was on the line
line.
and he guns onto the
Six
line
in the
again.
air.
He's still in
Takes
possession
the
of the
jab,
ball.
tries
He's
to
been
run with it.
ridden hard by
From wide to the
Sam.
right.
Sam
He's gonna
again
bring the
is
ball
trying to
around
block
now.
him, but Simran is in charge of his
And he does so beautifully.
the play.
Simran Shergill in attack
Simran
now for
Shergill
India.
makes
Simran
a run
Shergill,
towards the
Simran
goal.
Shergill,
Simran Shergill in
tapping,
possession of the
tapping,
ball, and
and
he's
hit the ball
all
through
over the
the
goal.
A beautiful goal that scored by Simran Shergill. He was tapping, went wide, and then outside cut backhander. Very acute angle. Put the ball through the post. Increases India's lead. It's 4-2. Jack Higdon riding off the ground. One of them riding a pony from the 61st Cavalry, another one from the President's Bodyguard, all of whom have contributed their horses very generously to mount our visiting team. One stoppage in play. Also like to welcome to the stands some of the Indian selectors who I can see. Colonel R.S. Pitul Sodhi, one of them. Jay Shergill, another. The Indian selection committee was headed by Maharaj Jai Singh of Jaipur. Chairman of the selection committee of the Indian Polo Association. As the Australian team now back on the ground, we're ready to resume play.
The Australian team is back on the ground. We're ready to resume the play. The ball thrown in, and we have Gaurav Sehgal who backs the ball, but this is in possession of the Australians yet again, and we have Zach who goes towards the board, and the ball is out of play. The ground is a bit bouncy today. That is why we've got so many plays where the ball has gone out of the boards. This would be a throw in again.
And the ball's back in play.
Ball's back in play, and Gaurav and Mike are struggling, fighting for it. Mike is still in possession of the ball, being checked by Vishal Chauhan. We have Simran Shergill in the melee, and this is a traffic jam in the foul.
Let's see what the umpire has decided.
The umpires have given a spot to the Australian team.
Zach. And here
Zach
he comes.
will take the spot it,
Zach decides
and
to
he makes a
takes it.
run.
And
He's trying to
another,
make
the
a
ball
run to
bouncing.
the
Zach's
goal.
on it. Zach
Zach
tapped
is
it.
on it, and He's been chased by Vishal Chauhan. Zach misses the ball, being collected by Dick Doolan on near side. Gooby is trying to check him. We have again Zach onto the ball, changes the line, claims his right of way, and we've got Vishal Chauhan who checks Dick Doolan, and this should be a whistle blown, but this was a foul. In all probability, it seemed from here that Vishal Chauhan had taken the line and was being blocked by the Australian captain. And rightly so, a spot hit has been awarded to the Indians.
It's a spot hit for India.
So we have the back of the Indian team. Colonel Navdeep Sandhu takes the spot hit for Indian team. Hits a lofted shot to the forwards. We have Simran who comes onto the line, collects the ball. The ball has gone slightly wide, but he's back on the line again. He's in charge of the ball. He's been carefully backed up by Gaurav Sehgal. And Zach gives a huge backhand after riding Simran Shergill. The ball is yet again gone out of play. A throw in by the umpires again. We have a clearance from Gooby and cleared away on the near side by Zach. He's been ridden by Colonel Navdeep Sandhu. Zach misses the ball, and we have Dick Doolan who gives a shot towards forward, picked up by Sam on the near side, and they're galloping towards the boards. The Australians are still in possession of the ball, and he gives the approach, the shot towards the Indian goal. The ball is gone out of play.
The third trucker, ladies and gentlemen, India lead 4 goals to 2.
But Basin intercepted very well by the Australian team, by Mike, who goes over the ball after intercepting very well. And Vishal Chauhan is running with the ball, still in control of the ball, moving very surely towards the Australian side. Vishal was backed up very well by Gaurav Sehgal. Indians are looking dangerous, and this could be the 5th goal for Indian side. The ball is still in play, and Gaurav makes an attempt to the goal. Tries to go in for a cut shot, was blocked, and the defense of Zach for Australia. Zach. Vishal Chauhan comes onto the ball, and the attack is on for the Australian side again. The captain Dick Doolan replies with a huge backhander straight to the Indian side. Unfortunately, Vishal Chauhan is still in control of the ball, turns around, is being hassled by the Australians, but was backed up very well by Simran Shergill. Simran tapping. Simran Shergill is trying to position himself to hit at the goal. Takes under the neck, but slightly miscues. And we've got Vishal Chauhan on the ball. And this has been beautifully cleared away by Zach. But then we have another surprise. Colonel Sandhu was on the ball.
Lots of action there. It's all happening, ladies and gentlemen, at the Jaipur Polo Ground this afternoon. Australia v India being fought very hard. It's only a 2-goal difference in this test match in the 4th chukka. Hit in for Australia. Dick Doolan takes a tap.
Dick Doolan, the Australian captain, takes the tap.
And he leaves it now for Zach. Zach takes a tap. Zach on the ball. Zach releases with an under-the-neck pass to Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan on the ball now. He's hooked out of that play. Gaurav Sehgal picked up nicely by Sam Gunn. And it's Gunn on the ball. Goes over. Backed up nicely by Doolan. And it's Gunn. Gaurav Sehgal. Gaurav Sehgal. Beautifully backed by Gaurav Sehgal. Simran Shergill coming onto it now. Zach trying to ride him out of that play. Simran Shergill's got a stick up in the air, but it's Gaurav Sehgal who collects the ball beautifully on the near side. But there's been a whistle on that play from the umpires. Vishal Chauhan coming onto it. But before that, Mike McKennie. Mike goes over. Vishal Chauhan's on the ball. Vishal Chauhan on the ball. Vishal Chauhan in scoring position. Vishal Chauhan has put the ball through. The red flag is up. Ladies and gentlemen, and India have increased their lead. It's 5 goals in the 4th. And another full chukker thereafter. Sandhu gets the near side flick to it. backed by Dick Doolin, and the whistle brings this play to a halt. See what the umpires decide. Again, Bhavani Kalvi riding up and having a chat with his fellow umpire Abhimanyu Pathak. And once again, they're signalling the referee for his in defence now, but Navjeet Sandhu getting onto that. Navjeet Sandhu with a solid looking shot towards goal. This could be rolling through, and it is a fantastic goal scored by the Indian captain from a long, long way away and from a not very clear angle. He had a player in front of him under the next shot, and Navjeet riding a fantastic pony called Roshni. The ball's back in play. The teams change ends. India once again in possession. Simran Shergill. Zach, near side backhander. Mike McKennie trying to get there, but Navjeet Sandhu in defence. A lovely backhander from him. And it's Dick Doolin riding hard with Vishal Chauhan. Vishal Chauhan collects on the near side. Dick Doolin and Vishal Chauhan riding each other hard. Vishal Chauhan misses the ball, and it's going to be Zach coming onto it now. Zach decides to turn. Navjeet coming down that line. Navjeet Sandhu for India decides to leave it for Simran Shergill, who decides to leave it for Gaurav Sehgal. And it's Gaurav Sehgal tapping. Gaurav Sehgal is unmarked. He's in front of goal. There comes the lofted shot. The red flag's up. And it's 6 goals to 2. 7 to 2. Fantastic goal there. Another one. Gaurav Sehgal. I think that's his second goal of the afternoon. The umpires have blown the whistle, giving the Australian team a chance to change some ponies. Lovely polo here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, 7 goals to 2 in favour of India in the fourth chukka. A minute's play left. The teams have lined up. The ball's in play. It's Gaurav Sehgal who gets the flick to it first. Gaurav Sehgal here. The man who scored a goal just now. Gaurav again in attack. Going wide slightly to keep a bouncing ball. Along the boards now. Gaurav straightens up. Leaves it. Simran tapping. And lovely backhander there from Dick Doolin. Zach trying to come onto it. Navjeet Sandhu there as well. The linesman signalling. The ball's over the boards and out of play. And it's going to be a throw-in. Just about half a minute's play left in this chukka. Ball in play. Navjeet Sandhu for India under the belly shot. And it's picked up now by Simran Shergill. Simran Shergill turning. Simran Shergill decides to turn all the way. And it's Simran Shergill. Lovely stick work from Shergill. Backed by Dick Doolin. Picked up by Sam Gunn. And it's now Gaurav Sehgal. Gaurav Sehgal again. Young Gaurav Sehgal on a bouncing ball. Gaurav, little flick. Zach. Navjeet going back. Navjeet. All of them go over, and it's picked up by Mike McKennie. Simran Shergill in defence now. There's the first bugle. 30 seconds of play left. Nice backhander pass to Vishal Chauhan. Is he going to increase India's lead before the end of this chukka? Vishal Chauhan taps. Australia in defence. Sticks her up in the air. Dick Doolin, and a nice backhander from Doolin. Doolin up to his forward. Australia's out the front now. Nice tap there. Navjeet Sandhu in defence. Towards the board. And it's Vishal Chauhan running onto that ball. He misses. And there's the second hooter, ladies and gentlemen. It's 7 goals to 2 at the end of the fourth chukka. For Australia, the perfect opportunity for them to pull one back.
सन 1942 भारत छोड़ो तहरीक का आगाज, जिसने हमें आजादी की राह दिखाई, और देखते ही देखते हम आजाद हो गए। लेकिन क्या हम वाकई आजाद हैं? कैसे हो सकते हैं, जबकि हमारे मुल्क का तकरीबन हर दूसरा बच्चा सुए तगजिया का शिकार है? मतलब समझते हैं आप? यानी आने वाली नस्ल जिस पर मुनहसिर है हमारे मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल, उसकी कुव्वत आधी रह जाएगी और जो ख्वाब हम अपने बच्चों के लिए देख रहे हैं वो अधूरे रह जाने वाले हैं। ये भी गुलामी है, लेकिन इस बार दुश्मन ऐसा है जो बज़ाहिर नजर नहीं आता। फिर से जंग छेड़नी है, फिर से दुश्मन को निकाल बाहर करना है ताकि हमारे मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल, हमारे बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल महफूज हो सके। तो आइए मेरे साथ मिलकर कहिए, सूए तग़ज़िया भारत छोड़ो, सूए तग़ज़िया भारत छोड़ो।
The players riding back. It's going to be a spotted in favour of Australia. 3 balls currently lying on the ground. Umpires have picked one up, one at the penalty area, and there's one lying next to the goal mouth, which I'm sure they will soon collect or get someone to pick up. The umpire calls play. Dick Doolin is going to take this spotted, takes a tap. And Dick Doolin decides to slow the game down, takes a tap, changes direction and decides to run with it. He goes over, the ball bounces and is picked up now by Simran Shergill. Simran Shergill with a lovely pass to Vishal Chauhan, who's being pursued by Zach. Vishal Chauhan takes a tap. Zach's got a stick in the air. Another whistle from the umpires. Let's see who this goes in favour of. I suspect it will be Australia. It is indeed. Hit from the spot, penalty 5A in the rule book. Dick Doolin teeing the ball up. The Australian team having a little huddle, deciding strategy. 5 minutes and 23 seconds of play left as Dick Doolin approaches. They spot it in favour of Australia. Tap towards the boards. Simran Shergill is waiting for him. He decides to leave the ball. And it's Zach now. Zach takes a tap and decides to run with the ball, being ridden hard by Vishal Chauhan. It's Zach along the boards and the ball's gone out over the boards and out of play. Umpire Bhavani Singh Kalvi is going to throw the ball in from the boards. And it's back in play. Navjeet Sandhu on the near side. Has it gone out again? The ball has gone out again. The clock continues to take its 4 minutes and 35 seconds or so to go for the end of the 5th chukker. And it's back in play now. Backhander from Sam Gunn. Navjeet Sandhu returns the compliment. And it is along the boards now. It's going to be Sam Gunn again. Nice backhander from him. And the ball's gone out yet again. The umpires have blown the whistle. Its clock is stopped at 4 minutes and 9 seconds of play to go. A slight delay there while the umpire collects supply of balls. The ball is now back in play and there's been another whistle. Spotted in favour of Australia. 4 minutes to go, 4 goals in it. Anything is possible. They've got to spot it about 130 odd yards from the goal mouth, and it's been taken nicely by Zach. Zach. And Zach decides to run. Zach running with it. Vishal Chauhan is riding him up. Zach on the ball. Zach with a lovely under the neck pass to his forwards. It's Sam Gunn running along the line of the ball. Sam Gunn in front of the goal, and the Australians have pulled one more back. It's 7-4 now. Just 3 goals in it. 3.5 minutes of play left. Everything to play for, ladies and gentlemen. The Equisport International Polo Day, Australia v India. Give them a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Bigger hand, I'm sure you can do better than that. Abhimanyu Pathak throws the ball in. Picked up by Australia again. Australia in attack, it's Zach. Picked up by Navjeet Sandhu now. Navjeet in defence for India. Nice backhander. Gaurav Sehgal turning on it. Gaurav Sehgal. And young Gaurav Sehgal in the way. Look at him open that horse out. Gaurav Sehgal going great guns. Gaurav Sehgal, beautiful looking cut shot from Gaurav. Checking his body now. Gaurav is in scoring position. Another tap. And a brilliant goal from Gaurav Sehgal. Excellent goal there. That was textbook polo, ladies and gentlemen. Flat out gallop. Not surprising that Gaurav is one of India's promising young stars on the rise. Ball's back in play. Australia get a touch to it. Sam Gunn. And he's hooked out of that play nicely by Vishal Chauhan. Picked up now by Dick Doolan. Doolan and Navjeet Sandhu. Navjeet riding him off and releases the ball. Simran Shergill is running up for the pass, but it's back nicely by Zach, and it's bobbled over the boards and gone out of play. 2 minutes, 4 goals. They could almost still catch up. It has been done before, ladies and gentlemen. I kid you not. The ball's back in play. And it's Australia in attack. Backed by Sam Gunn. Intercepted now by Simran Shergill, but Mike passes it nicely to Dick Doolan. Doolan takes a tap. Doolan on the ball. Zach coming up to help him. Lots of sticks in the air. Backhander from Vishal Chauhan. And a whistle. This could be dangerous for India. See what the umpires decide. They have decided it's going to be a spotted in favour of Australia. Another chance for them to pull a goal back. It's going to be Dick Doolan. I guess he must be 130 odd yards out from goal as he approaches this ball. Dick Doolan playing it back for Australia. Here he comes. And it's a lofted shot to the front. Who's going to get it? Navjeet Sandhu galloping down that line. He picks the ball up beautifully. Navjeet Sandhu. Navjeet Sandhu has broken through the Australian defence. No one is there. Zach is now coming up. Chase him. Navjeet Sandhu collects. Navjeet Sandhu collecting the ball. Zach has come up to mark him. There comes a bump. And they're bumping each other hard. Navjeet and Zach. Navjeet now is wide. He's going to have to back the ball. He does so beautifully. It's right in front of goal, but it's been cleared. Vishal Chauhan now for India. And there comes the Australian defence. It's Zach. Zach with a beautiful ball to his forward, Sam Gunn. Sam Gunn riding hard. Sam Gunn and Vishal Chauhan. Neither of them get the ball. It's unmarked Zach. Zach completely unmarked. He's taken the ball slightly wide. He's got about 40 odd seconds. Can he pull one more back before the end of this match? Zach turning with it. Zach, nice stick work. And it's now Dick Doolan. Dick Doolan in front of goal. Dick Doolan for Australia, and it's been cleared away by India. But there's been a whistle on that play. Half a minute's play left. 8-4. Unless there's a flurry of penalty ones, ladies and gentlemen, which is a given goal by the umpire, in extreme circumstances. This is a very, very difficult task now for Australia. 4 goals in 27 seconds, I don't think has ever been achieved. And a spot hit's been taken by Australia. They pulled one back. It's 8 goals to 5. Teams riding back. Clock is ticking. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ladies and gentlemen, what a fantastic afternoon of polo. Fantastic game played by both countries, Australia and India, with India emerging victors, 8 goals to 5 in the Equisport International Polo Day 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, we have more equestrian activity lined up this afternoon. Don't get off your seats just yet. There's going to be a display by the Australian team that played a fantastic match here this afternoon. Mike McKenny, Will Gunn, Zach Higdoon and Dick Doolin. And if you look to the left, ladies and gentlemen, here comes India. Gaurav Sehgal, Simran Shergill, Vishal Chauhan and Colonel Navjeet Singh Sandhu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Australian team are guests from down under who played a fantastic game here this afternoon. Very well played. Gallant runners-up.
Standing next to me is the coach of the Indian polo team, Colonel Kuldeep Singh Garcha. He's ex-commandant 61st Cavalry and has been a polo player handicapped at 5. Sir, I'd like to ask you about today's game. It was a well-fought match, but India seemed to be in a firm lead right from the beginning. Would request your views on today's game in its entirety.
Well, to be fair on the Australian team, it's always very difficult when you're traveling to another country to get used to the conditions of the ground and as far as the horses are concerned. Though we selected the horses for the Australian team which are at par with ours, but they only had like 2 days to try them. And the first chukker of the game, half a chukker, was kind of a bit scrappy. But after the first chukker, the game really opened out. And it was nice to see after a long time with both the teams hitting backhanders and playing as a team. And the Australians are hard fighters, and it so happened on this ground that till the 4th chukker they were trailing by 3-4 goals, but then in the last chukker they fought hard, came back with 2 goals, and still India won by 8-5 this job.
And the youngsters did play very well, especially Gaurav Sehgal, who put in 3 goals. I would also like to ask Colonel Garcha, sir, you've been playing polo, you're a legendary polo player that India has had. What was the difference of polo then and polo now? There has been a downturn in polo in the past few years, but I see the resurgence coming in with more involvement of the corporates. Just wanted your opinion on that as well.
Well, during, say, the 70s and 80s, there were not very many corporate sponsors. Hence, polo used to figure mostly on the sports page. But nowadays, I think there should be a fair mix of polo on the sports page because it's one of the oldest organized sports in the world and it is kind of a heritage sport of India. But some of the other We need the corporates there, but we need the media to cover it on the sports page. It's okay to cover it on page 3 as well, but I think now we need to get back the sport on the sports page. And during our time, there were more amateur players. Now there are more professionals, and hence, you know, there are more patrons. So keeping that in mind, the professionals have to keep possession of the ball more than rather utilizing all the 4 players. But as you mentioned earlier, last 8-9 years, polo was kind of on a downward swing, and a lot of patrons in India stopped playing in India and went abroad. But in the last 1 year, there's been a breath of fresh air again into Indian polo, and sponsors are coming back, patrons are coming back, and I hope to see next 2 or 3 years there's a lot of improvement in polo. But however, we need more infrastructure, we need more horses, and we need more youngsters to come up in this team.
Thank you so much.